an honourable shellback, a veteran of Equator crossings, but it is my duty to rend hommage to Neptune as we cross the equator. With the Galapagos Islands just off our starboard bow, I therefore present this toast as we count down 3, 2, 1, crossing the equator with our Citran bear in company. Praise His Majesty, a ruler of the raging seas. Praise Queen Amphitrite, her gorgeous beauty, what a sight. And with English Harbour rum from the Academy, National Sailing Academy in Antigua, I will toast to Neptune, and also, while passing through the islands of Polynesia, Tiki, who guides over the provenance of that region. We toast them and grant us safe passage across your seas and oceans, and wishing you the very best. Cheers. To Neptune and Tiki, be gracious and kind to the mini globe fleet. We're going to be in your domain for a long time. Thank you.